Benny the bear stared up at the night sky from his cozy forest home, his eyes twinkling like the stars above. "One day, I'm going to fly to space," he declared, paws stretched toward the moon. His best friend, Luna the owl, chuckled as she adjusted her tiny glasses. "Benny, bears don't fly." But Benny wouldn't give up. "I'll build a rocket," he said excitedly, pulling out a bunch of random objects, a bucket, some tree branches, and a big red balloon. He stuck them all together. "Ta-da!" he announced. Luna tilted her head. "That's, very creative," she said, trying not to laugh. But before she could explain why balloons don't work in space, Benny jumped inside. The wind blew whoosh and sent his homemade rocket rolling down the hill. "Whee!" he cheered, crashing straight into a berry bush. After Benny's not-so-successful first flight, Luna decided to help. "If you really want to go to space, we need to build a real rocket," she said. She took Benny to her secret workshop inside an old tree, where gadgets, gears, and blueprints covered the walls. They worked all night long. Luna calculated fuel measurements, while Benny painted a big smiley face on the rocket's side. "Gotta make it friendly for aliens," he said. Finally, they had a real, shiny, silver rocket with flashing buttons and a powerful engine. "Time to launch!" Benny shouted. He put on his bubble-shaped astronaut helmet, which was really just a big fishbowl, and climbed into the rocket. Luna pressed the ignition switch. 3, 2, 1, blast off! The rocket rumbled, shook, and whooshed into the sky, leaving behind a trail of stardust. Benny's eyes grew wide as he floated in space. "I'm a space bear," he cheered, doing a somersault in zero gravity. He looked out the window. Twinkling stars, glowing planets, and a big round moon filled the sky. "Time to land!" The rocket touched down on the soft, dusty surface of the moon, and Benny hopped out in his astronaut suit. "It's so fluffy," he said, rolling around in the moon dust. But then, thump! A tiny blue alien with big googly eyes popped out from behind a crater. The alien stared at Benny. Benny stared at the alien. Then, boop! The alien poked Benny's nose and giggled. Benny laughed too. "Wanna play?" The alien nodded. Together, they bounced around the moon, playing tag in slow motion. Meanwhile, Luna watched from the rocket, shaking her head. Only Benny could turn a moon mission into a playdate.